Hello. Wikipedia's picture of the day, October 16, 2024. Today's video is about Oscar Wilde. Oscar Wilde, October 16, 1854, November 30, 1900, was an Irish poet and playwright. After completing his education in Ireland and the UK, Wilde became associated with the philosophy of aestheticism and then settled in London. After writing in different forms throughout the 1880s, including plays, poems and lectures, he became one of the most popular playwrights in London in the early 1890s, with works including Salome, 1891, An Ideal Husband, 1895, and The Importance of Being Earnest, 1895. He also wrote his sole novel The Picture of Dorian Gray around this time. At the height of his fame and success, Wilde prosecuted the Marquess of Queensberry for criminal libel. The Marquess was the father of Wilde's lover, Lord Alfred Douglas. The libel trial unearthed evidence that caused Wilde to drop his charges and led to his own arrest and trial for gross indecency with men. He was convicted and jailed from 1895 to 1897. After his release, he spent his last 3 years impoverished and in exile in France before his death from meningitis. His last works included De Profundis, published posthumously in 1905, a letter discussing his spiritual journey through his trials, and The Ballad of Reading Gaol, 1898, a poem about the harsh rhythms of prison life. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.